Hi guys, andito ako ngayon sa garden ko. Katatapos lang namin kumain ng lunch. So maganda ang panahon kaya sabi ko magtatanim ako. Ayun, nag-abang na ako ng pangsitaw ko, yung stick. Tapos yung parsley namin and yung arugula ba yun? Or dandelion. So dito nagtanim na ako kahapon ng popcorn. 20 pieces ito, yung corn na pang popcorn. Ito naman yung pang sitaw ko. Yan. Ganyan na yung style ba? Kasi nung last time nag-gain siya ng space. So every post tatlo ang ilagay ko. So pag yung halimbawa malaki naman na yung mais, doon na sila gagapang. Pero ito yung pangsitaw ko guys. Bale each post tagi-isa, so 3 6 9 12 15 na buto ito. sorry na itanim ko diyan tatlo. So kasya na yan, marami na yun. And magsingit-singit na lang ako pag kasi marami akong itatanim guys na gulay. Ginagain ko ba yung space. Tapos ito yung panggulay namin, yung parsley at saka yung arugula. Dito, dalawa lang. Ganyan kalaki gusto ni Mr. Para alam nyo, mahilig kami kasi sa salad. And doon banda yung mga kamatis, yung cucumber. Siguro doon banda ang cucumber ko at saka yung mete. Tapos mag-ano pa ako ng talong, saluyot. Marami akong itatanim na gulay. Okay, so yan. Ngayon magtanim na tayo ng sitaw at saka yung binili namin ni Mr. kahapon, isingit ko din. Dito ako magtatanim. Ano kayang pamatay ng ito guys? Problema ko. Pwede kaya ang mainit na tubig? Yan daming maitim na langgam. Gusto kong patayin kasi sisirain nila yung tanim ko ba. Kaya buhusan ko ng mainit na tubig or spray. Mamayang hapong gagawin ko. Nagtanim na ako dito ng popcorn guys, pang popcorn. Dito naman ang itatanim ko dito, mga sako, last year ito di ko alam kung anong itatanim ko dito. Baka sitaw din, sitaw sa or ampalaya, tignan ko na lang. Anyway, so magtanim na tayo ng sitaw guys. Kahit maapakan yung corn, naman yan, matutubo. Yung sitaw ko last year, marami akong binhi dito guys. Yung mais na white, pangkain. Pero yung sitaw ko may ampalaya din ako. Yung sitaw ko ang hindi ko mahanap. Ano ko ba nilagay kahapon? Ano ito? Pechay siguro ito. Yan, pechay. Tatanim din ako ng pechay. Yung sitaw ko, saan ko nilagay? Ayun. Ito, sitaw. Ay, saluyot naman ito. Saluyot ba ito? Ito yung piece guys. No piece ito. Ito nilagay yung sitaw ko. Ito sitaw. Start na tayo. Tanim-tanim na tayo guys para meron tayong anihin ulit. Tatlo ang ilagay ko. Tatlong buto. Yan. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. So mamaya ko in the bag? I put in the bag? How did she...
Be careful when you carry it, it falls. Don't you want to see what you're doing? What do I get? Do I take only one? It only needs one? It only needs one. Hello, ants.
Hello.
Ants, hello.
Okay. Tanim ka na.
Here?
Here, one here. Yes.
No, look at the ants.
No, it's okay. Yala.
Here?
Yes. One. Put one come in. You have?
You give
Here,
it.
here.
Okay.
Two.
Are these beans?
Yes. Sit down. And that one.
Here?
Here. Yes. Three.
Three.
Yes. Okay. If you bud here, we will plant here. This post. We did not plant.
I have terrible aim. I had it. Mommy, do not set the wrong way. It's like this. Mommy, do I turn the camera? The head? No. Mom, I am showing you. Let's do I turn the head of the camera? How do you do this? Okay. How do you turn it?
No need. Just make like that.
Okay.
Yes. I'm planting. Here, this post is
Jesus.
plant. Okay, remember, this is your plant. You will see it will grow.
It needs water and sun.
Yeah.
It's cloudy. It's very cloudy these days now.
I hope they will grow all. Okay. Next, we plant sitaw already. We will plant that.
We plant what? Beans are called sitaw in Philippine. And
Sitaw. So we have something to eat. Okay?
Hey, that's dirty here.
We will plant the tomato. Lano, Daddy wants to plant the tomato.
And I'm pretty sure we're going to eat potato.
Yeah, vlog here. I will go the plant. Okay?
A vlog here? Okay. Well, I guess I have to vlog. Peace. Go. What is this? No, I cannot see in the camera. Sitaw, long beans. These are the beans. Corn. Love corn. Even when you make popcorn out of it. Yeah. Oh, I wanna. No, hold on. Let me just take the. Yeah, I cannot take a piece. Alright. Hey, she went to get the plants. Hello. Huh? I didn't put anything of. You told me to vlog. To like
Plant the tomato. This area, Daddy said.
What's these? What are these? Huh? Okay. Oh my God! There's a lot of ants. Get away from me! Here. Mommy, there are too many ants.
Okay.
Look on the branch.
Yeah, I know. You need to calm down.
Well, I guess you have to explode. Yeah, I'm fear of too much ants. Go away, go away.
Be careful the camp.
I'm sorry, Bess. I'm just
Stay
scared.
here.
of,
I
like-
will begin to plant the tomato here.
Okay, when can I leave?
Hmm?
Do I have to stay?
Black for me.
How much do I have to stay? Put the tomato. I mean, the tomato, and then done. Then you come back. Okay.
Oh, sure, Nikla, no. I can hurt you.
The plastic. Remove it.
Relax. Oh, look.
Hey, Bess, remove this plastic.
Yalla, black for
Remove the plastic.
We need to plant now the tomato lang. That is it.
Tomato. Oh, sweet potato.
Tomato.
Sweet potato. Now that was good.
Mabato, my goodness, mabato.
I cannot throw well. I cannot throw well with the slipper. And 3 ants.
Hindi madali magbungkal. Pero okay lang. Pag maitanim na, madali na lang guys. Okay. Dito na yung bunso ko.
How do I approach? How do I approach?
There. Make there one hole.
Here?
Eh.
The one I placed the header?
Yan.
The one I placed the hair?
Eh.
My shoes.
You don't know?
Hold on.
Be careful.
There's a giant rock here.
Tignan niyo naman ang bunso ko. Tutulungan niya daw ako.
Your shoes. Mali, I don't care about untying.
You don't care?
No,
Okay.
that's not one wrong. You need help.
Be careful. You will hit me.
Oof, there's giant rock here. I need gloves coming. I need to remove the gloves to remove the rocks. Come on, need gloves to remove the rocks. Oh, I feel I'm going to break the pickaxe.
That's good exercise.
Can you tie my shoe?
Yes, sure. Here, my love. Here. Enjoy? Having fun?
This
Yes.
rock hard
Full
rock.
hard rocks.
I needed come in gloves
Oh my
to
goodness.
remove.
Yeah. We can do it.
Okay. I can carry it.
Ang taas lang. Be careful. You will hit your head.
I already hit my balls. Look, when I was trying to get it, look. Look, mommy.
Here.
Look. Oh! Okay. Oh, giant rock here.
One, two, go away. Go. 1, 2, 3. Here. Here. Oh, rocks. Be careful.
I know, I just read it.
Be camera down.
Lamig, Lisa.
Yalla, make here. In this part.
Okay.
Yalla.
I'm
Tignan nyo na ang bunso ko. It's nice to garden.
I used to remember having
What
fun
can you say?
gardening.
You're having fun?
Yeah, I used to remember I had fun gardening.
Yes. Of course, gardening is fun. Maglablabagan. Uri lagur-urad yung batana. Lagur-urad yung batana kalkali. So, you said you're having fun. Tired na daw siya. You didn't do anything.
I did the
How come you tired?
carrying this giant thing.
Impossible. No, Haida, it's dangerous.
Yeah, but
Oh, umaraw na anak, umaraw na.
it's heavy.
Yes, it's heavy, that one. Be careful.
I cannot even dig with it.
Exercise. We go first and it's sunny. Be careful. 5 pa lang yung nabungkal namin para sa kamatis. Hirap din.
Yeah.
So,
Hold on.
come, Shuai.
Hold on. Hold on. Wait. Hold on.
Ana, I sit here. Uh,
I still suck.
Yala. True. You wanna hit? Magpahinga muna tayo, anak, kasi umaraw. Break. Yes, break time. Yala, hit the wood. Hit the tree. The stem.
Break time. Fun time. I don't want. I'm sure I'm going to stay.
Ayan, exercise. Exercise kami ng bunso ko.
Hey. We need to bring out the shovel.
Shovel, yes. Can you bring?
Okay. I'll get the shovel.
I want to rest room.
I'll get the shovel.
Kapagod. Yes. Alam mo, mahirap maging farmer. Pero wala nang stress pag mamunga na sila. Dito muna ako kasi pagod ako. Mag-check muna ako ng comments nyo sa post ko. Gusto ko kasi matapos itanim yung mga binili ni Mr. Inili namin kahapon na kamatis, yung mga gulay.
Can I use these gloves to pick up rocks?
Ah, yes, one only. Okay? Be careful.
Why do I feel?
Dito ang bunso ko.
Mommy, there's dirt inside.
It's like this. Don't use like color. Look, I have dirt in my car. Hi! Apo!
I'll use
Hold
that.
I will lock Haida. Hold it.
Get the avocado.
Ate is not anymore helping. She have her own life. Nag-ano siya. Yung ginagawa niya. Anong ginagawa ni ate? Nag-aayos sa kwarto niya. Naglalagay ng picture ng ganyan ng hilig niya siya yan, guys. Wala na. Hindi na gaya ng dati na sumasali sa amin. Buti ba itong lalaki? Nautot. Hindi naman. Buti ba itong lalaki, tumutulong. I mean, eager siya mag-garden ba. Talaga umiiba na ang mga bata pag nasa stage ng mainit na. Go na inside, Ana, stay here.
Wait.
Put the phone here. Because I will plant, Mama.
Outside and I removed them and put them inside.
Outside, Mama. In the stair. Remove in the stair and then go bring another shoes. Ito for the school, Habibi. You
No,
have the
I don't
you have the black one to garden for gardening.
No, I want it for school.
No, the black one, the Adidas.
Destroyed.
Haida for gardening. The one destroyed. Haida,
I'm
it's
going
still
home.
good.
It could continue tomorrow.
Lash, I want to plant a Daddy, so Daddy wants me to plant.
Okay.
Can you bring my water?
Okay, I'll go inside.
Okay. Ay, naku. Dito pa rin ako sa garden ko. Nagtatanim ako ng kamatis. Yan, nakatanim na ako. Almost. Kita nyo ba? Yan ang. Yan, kamatis yan. Anyway, habang nagtatanim ako, meron akong nakitang abalong. Abalong dito sa amin sa mga Ilocano. Inuulam namin ito sa Pilipinas. Masarap ito. Ito guys, may abalong din pala dito sa Lebanon, ano? Tignan nyo. Yan ang kumakain yan ng lupa. Abalong. Ayan, kinakain ito sa Pilipinas, sa probinsya namin sa Cagayan. Tinatanggal namin ito, butasan namin dyan, tapos ilabas namin yung ano, tawag nito, yung kinain niya, lupa. So, sabi nila ito daw ay protein, source of protein. Sa amin to, kinakain namin ito guys, ginigisa namin ito sa mantika, and then yun lang, kakainin. Minsan yung mga lasenggero gawing pulutan. Karamihan ito, season niya sa atin is yung tag-ulan. Oo. Pero hayaan ko lang dyan. Hindi naman yan kung ano wala nag-iisa lang siya. Yan ipakita ko lang. May abalong pala dito. So nakatanim na ako ng kamatis. So bale 25 pieces siguro, no? Wait, bilang ko 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 pieces na kamatis mix. May cherry tomato, and then alam nyo, pero dito yan, ito lahat kamatis. Tatlong klaseng kamatis. Yung cherry tomato, Lebanese tomato, tapos American tomato. Yung American is medyo orange siya na pinkish yung kulay, tapos yung isa red na parang tomato cherry, pero iba siya. Yung American is mas malaki, yung Lebanese is mas maliit. Hindi yung tomato jabal, hindi yung banadura jabal banadura tawag nila. Hindi pwede dito yun, sa mountain lang yun. Meron pa akong itatanim na 5. So yung dalawa siguro ilagay ko na lang sa sako, or singit-singit ko na lang. Gusto ko kasi kamatis ganun lang, hindi gaya last year na siningit-singit ko ba. So ayun, ito hilera lahat ng kamatis, tapos isingitan ko. Pwede kaya ang talong ay kamatis at talong isingit, or sili? I-search ko nga, or tanungin ko yung tatay ko, kasi yung space nga guys, nagigain ako ng space, kasi marami pa akong itanim doon. Yung may talong pa ako, may pipino, may sili na maanghang. Ewan ko kung tanggalin ko ito. Dati dyan yung yung cucumber, pero parang tamnan ko siya ng yung maanghang ba na sili dito, para hilera yan na sili. Oo, tanggalin ko na lang. Pwede kaya ang magkatabi ang sili at saka kamatis? Kasi meron yung gulay na hindi pwede magkatabi Yung mais at saka sitaw, munggo, yan okay lang na magkatabi sila. Pero yung ewan ko kung pwede ang talong, sili, mga ganun ba. So dito na yung pipino. Tignan ko guys. Tapos doon banda yung mga peas, mga Asian, yung mais doon. Alam nyo? So dito okay na. So yun. Pahinga lang ako kasi pagod ako sa kakabungkal. Bukas si Mr. Pakuran niya daw ito. Yan. Okay na. Ay, thank God. Tanim din. Pahinga lang. Gulatin ko bukas si Mr. Kala niya hintayin ko daw siya. Si Mr. lagi yan, ganyan, tayin mo ako. Gagulat na lang siya. Ipatanim ko bukas sa kanya yung parsley at saka kapagod. Yan. Daming bunga yan, nasisira.